So version 1 was pretty impressive. Looks pretty good. It's got a database, it's got N8N installed, it's created the tables, it's created the UI, it's sort of made a very good start. It's missed a whole lot of things, but as it went through, it was verifying itself and making a note of what it missed. So sort of it created this lessons learned as it went, and we automatically baked those back into the process. So we're going to do version 2 with all the lessons learned of what didn't work in version 1, and but it's pretty impressive. That's not a bad first automatic attempt. It's kind of it's an app with a database, with an architecture. It's also connected into Postmark, so it's not bad at all. Not bad first attempt.